Janka.
Yeah.
And then we have the bride, Pia Rowold, born in Iserlohn, Germany, May 23 to 23rd, and then 1988. Correct? And then with the parents, Gert Hans Rowold and Verena Graaf. And you have chosen this day, September 12, 2016, to be married here in Curaçao. And then we have the witnesses. Margriet Maria Velmans, yes, okay. Mike Ellers, Jonas Rudiger Rowold, yes. Thomas Mansen, Jacqueline Swelnes, Lena Rowold.
That's you.
Okay, and the official of the civil state is Mrs. Marelva Jansen Liberius. And one, in marriage, husband and wife all to each other, mutual help, assistance, and fidelity.
Gegenseitige Hilfe, Mut geben und Treue.
Second, in marriage, husband and wife bind themselves to maintain and educate their children the best they can.
Dass ihr eure Kinder auswählt, erzieht und großzieht.
And this is especially for you, the husband, Christian. It belongs to the duty of the husband to protect his wife.
Es ist deine Pflicht, deine Frau zu beschützen.
Remain with her
Bei ihr zu bleiben
and provide her with everything she might be in need of, according to his means, and allow her to live by your side forever.
alles, was du kannst, musst du für sie besorgen, musst du für sie versorgen und ihr Liebender für Lebenszeit bleiben.
And Pia, this is especially for you as wife. In marriage, it belongs to the wife to live together with her husband forever.
Deinen Ehemann für immer zusammenzubringen.
And that's why together you have to choose. Not the house, that's a building. You have to choose for the home.
Du müsst euch einfach kein Haus holen, sondern ein Zuhause. wo ihr zusammen gelebt
And the wife has to create warmth and trust in the home.
Und du musst für Wärme und Versorgung im Haus sorgen.
And now you are here to say yes I do. And then I ask you to stand up and give each other the right hand. And I ask the witnesses to look and listen to the promises from Christian and Pia. Okay? Give each other the right hands. Yes. Yes, the right hand. No, you have to do each other. Yeah, the right hand. Okay? And then I start with Christian. Do you declare in the presence of the witnesses just mentioned and all the people present that you take Pia to be your lawful wedded wife?
Yes, I do.
Okay. And Christian, do you promise to love Pia unconditionally, to respect her, to be the perfect soulmate of Pia through sickness or health, sadness or joy, poverty or wealth?
Bringst du hier in Gesundheit und in Krankheit richtig zu lieben und zu ehren und für immer treu zu sein?
And the last one, Christian, do you promise to fulfill faithfully all the duties that the law attaches to marriage?
Du wirst für alle Gesetze, die ihr gegeben sind, zu erfüllen.
Your lawful wedded husband. Okay. Pia, do you promise to love Christian unconditionally, to respect him, to be the perfect soulmate of Christian through sickness or health, sadness or joy, poverty or wealth? And the last one, Pia, do you promise to fulfill faithfully all the duties that the law attaches to marriage? Yes. Okay, and now confirm the witnesses?
Yes.
Yes, you do. Okay, and now, as official of the Speels State of Curaçao, Mrs. Marelka Jansen Liberia, I declare Christian and Pia one marriage forever. Now you are husband and wife forever. And the family. Yeah, the child also. Give them a big applause. You see, this is the rings.
Yeah.
It is a circle. There is no end on a marriage life. Only death can separate you. Use this symbol to be united. Hold it out, the rings, and then you can give it as a gift to each other as husband and wife. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay. And now the first kiss in marriage. Woo!
That's fast.
Take a seat. Yes. Okay. That's the whole family. Yeah. You're part of it. No? Okay. Let's take. Yes, take it. And you take it too. Parents too. Okay. It's yours. And congratulations. Have a nice evening, and I hope you enjoy your marriage life forever. Yes. Congratulations. Congratulations. Yeah, congratulations. And so you can, everybody, congratulations.
Yeah.
Finally, and enjoy our son.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Yay.
Die beiden Trauzeugen sind die ersten, die die Hand ausstrecken.
Geil.
Boah, ich kann das übelst gut. Aber wir müssen mal klatschen, oder?
Ja.
Wir müssen einmal für die klatschen.